Good morning, class 8. Today we shall start new lesson, that is reproduction. As we know, living organism reproduces to form a new individual, or we can say offspring. Okay? So this reproduction is done by different method. So which are those methods? What are the types of reproduction? We are going to see in this lesson. Before we proceed, first we'll see what is reproduction. So, underline definition. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce offspring, means young one, of their own kind. So, reproduction is a type of process by which living organism produce new organism of their same kind. Got it? Of their own kind. So, the reproductions are of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. First, we'll see what is asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, new individual is formed from single parents, means there is no involvement of two parents. As in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved to produce new young one, whereas in asexual reproduction, only one single parent is involved. So it is simplest reproduction, as it involves only one single parent. So what are the examples of asexual reproduction? This asexual reproduction occurs in organisms like amoeba, hydra, yeast, starfish, sponges and worm. Now we'll see how these asexual reproductions are occurred with the help of two examples, that is binary fission and budding. How this one single parent is involved and how do they reproduce a new individual in binary fission. This binary fission occurs in amoeba. So see children, this is the organism amoeba. In this is a cell of nucleus. Got it? Now this amoeba is reproduces by binary fission. Now how it is to be done? See, this is single parent organism. Okay. First, nucleus of this amoeba is divided and form two daughter nuclei. Then, as this nucleus is divided into two daughter nuclei, afterwards the body of amoeba is divided and each amoeba gets single nuclei. Okay. Then after division of nucleus and each amoeba get one nucleus, these daughter amoeba are formed and they separate out. So this is called as binary fission. Binary means what? Two. Fission means division. So from one single parent, two different daughter amoebas are formed. Got it? This is what about binary fission. Now we'll see budding. This budding is performed by organism hydra. See children, as it is asexual reproduction, hydra is a parent cell. Single parent cell is involved. Okay, so single parent cell is involved in asexual reproduction. Now, we'll see what is the definition. Budding is a form of asexual reproduction in which a new organism grows out from a part of parent body. Okay, and this outgrowth is then eventually separate out to form new individual. Now we'll see how it is happen. This is a single parent cell hydra. Okay, from this a small outgrowth is formed from parent body. This small outgrowth is called as bud. Then this small bud get the nutrients from the parents and it grow. Okay, so this parent hydra provides all nutrient to the this outgrowth bud. Okay, then this bud grow to form a baby hydra. As it fully grown, it detach from the parent body and and start growing independently. So these hydra separate out from the parents and start growing independently. So remember children, in asexual reproduction, single parent cell is involved. Got it? Single parent is involved. Understood? So that's all for today children. In the next video, we shall learn about sexual reproduction. Thank you and God bless you.